megalayapost.news.
Naga jeng don ki kan hundur nar ki gang na Bangladesh ki barung tu segi shnong khapun ka southwest ka sihil kum ka shnong konjoy ma sekolah bar ki shnong khaput aga te tan ki bajule ki kam pentrim kum ka kam tu ka kam note bar ka kamera bori bai ba na shnong ka balak ta ka shnong sop shnong san jong ko ba aga te shnong khapun na ka liang menteri ba ka jela ko rat ke sangma bar menteri ka tanat kampo yeng ba perstun ten song kila pha bale jurib ki laingot ibriu na ka sarkar ki ba kan thop ya marthon je sangma MLA ka mendi pathar bar bade wa besar ka sarkar jela ba HM Shampliang kum ada besar ka sarkar jela bat kunjuru ya ba kit bornong rem kum ba chairman ka sarkar jela ha ka ba kini ki laingon ha ka arpo tari ka ligmen kendu ya ki ba no shnong bat kunjuru ban jurib ya ki te shnong kapun kum balapan pau de ki te ki ba bat kinong ilam shnong jong ka te ka than kapun ka jindon kam ka ba kmat e klong bendon no ka anti da kritikam bat kunjuru ka polis apus khnang ba da ka jindon ni kini la bantem ya ki te ki kamburnar balon le da ki te ki khar Bangladesh ni ki runar ki bawan rungtu na Bangladesh kalong ru ke jengkemen ya ke ba ke tanya ke bana kalian kini gilangun kila kular ki ban persau syau menteri rang ba ke jela bar kumjuru syau menteri ka tanah kampung khantam ban penyo no ya ka anti da ketikam mat kumjuru ya ka polis apos.
Today we have visited all the affected areas, especially Kunjoy, Moeskola and the bordering areas. And then we have learned many things regarding this incident last week. It has taken place near the border areas. So we have met all the people there. So we have seen and we have learned that there are so many problems being faced by the border area people. Regarding the fencing, so we are told that we have seen that there are some areas where the fencing are not in proper shape, already damaged because of the flood, because of the landslide and all. So there are many areas where the distance between the two outposts is a bit far from each other. So there should be attention from the government side, from the central government, to give more posts in between the two posts. So as of now, I don't think the people are satisfied because of the step. Police department also have visited along with us, and then they are going to strengthen the outpost here, like ATCAM and all, to monitor the situation in the town.
After your visit,
we will just whatever we have seen, and we have learned that all the issues will be taken up for discussion with Home Minister and Chief Minister. So whatever the possible way, we are going to resolve the issues.
Menika singi yo ya kajingke ba kajing betha na u Chief Minister joni Conrad Sangma bolong ingi ba ni te bangin hiar shani shakni ki shnong border Bangladesh ke ba don hapo Ranikor constituency kata hide gini ki shnong di ba nilai wan mata si kum ka delegation na kalian ko sarkar anda kalau poi kajing tho na kalian jong hipat ba nang ni Ranikor constituency ba kontip sha u Chief Minister ya kajing shem junjar jong kini kinong song shnong kini khamtam ya kini klai kini kishnong kathan bordar ka konjoy dram dongdai ba kamai skula kila kontip sha Chief Minister ba kila don ki khar Bangladesh ki belawan rungtu kashnong jongki bat kila persang ban rabor ya ki nong shnong jong kani kathan bordar ni bat anda kila persang ya kata andre ulami do pajba ulayo ban kem ya kini ki khar Bangladesh kumba arngut langut nang to kisa yo ban kem sa kumba ngrumut kumba longta andre kani ke jingjia kelawan ra ke jing songsir kashnong kathaw hangni namar ba kumba ki sungthu ki nongsong snong ki ong ba kaladon dangdon de sa kaptukat ni kita ki kidkhot jong ni ka group jong ni ka gang ka ba wan nang tay na Bangladesh te andala yo ya kata complain Chief Minister Conrad Sangma but i ba Kriston Kinsong belong Deputy Chief Minister in charge home ilapha ya kani ka official delegation ka ba dalam da Sri Marthon Sangma belong advisor jong ka sarkar rengkat bat yang nolong advisor ka sarkar bat kumjo bat ya uba kitbor nongrem belong unong ilam na kani kathan bat uba bat ka post vice chairman po ka sarkar tingi lainut matasi nilai poi bat nilai lej ban ya kendo ya kipat ba nong song nengkong akonjoy bat nilai ya selok ya kipat ba bat kaladan ka jing kuntu nakle kipat ba ban de ban bo ya ki MT the quality camp bat bantang hapli shu ya ki police outpost padang don de sa ki jige jong kipat ba baki shem hakni kathan hakikam development ya kaba kila submit ya ka memorandum hangi bat ngingin sa tempoy ya kini memorandum sha honorable chief minister ni hadin kata ngi poi akasno rang dongdai tade gani kasnong kaba kini ki kharbangla kila rung jubor bat kila persang banra ban kidnap ya uwe unong song ubali hata tu kasnong andre da kajing ya pertasla ki lami ki paiba bakila yo ban bat ya ki katukat ningut gitu ki nong persiang berabor di bawah na Bangladesh tekani kasnong ila ai mensi miki nilai don rekat bat USP jongka Southwest Khasi Hills bat hantohi USP jongka Southwest Khasi Hills ula kular ba lasai kasnihi on wanra no ya ki anti decoy camp but on bo de ya ki kulit ban pahra ya petugas nong but kumjo de don jing kentu na kaliang OSP ba ide bangin constitute ya ki BDP namar hakini ki sinong pompat don BDP tengiru ila pesan jor ya kata jadi turwa pada ban bo ki BDP ban apa hara ya kasinong hadin kata ngi poi sa mahai sekolah ba mahai sekolah ro kumju iyo snow yaki khobor ba don talenti ya jong kini ki khar Bangladesh ki bayat na kato ka lenti mahai sekolah bat kila prung lengba ka fencing ka bala pat bala pra ba kila yo ban rung na kata ka fencing syak ini syapo ka rijungi keladang kencing tu bang ide bangin pej bahaya kini ki fencing bagi dan bon ki fencing border fencing kide bala pra bala rim gila jot bat dan dik ba syarah ba ide kita ba ki kentu ba ide bangin maromot ya kini ki fencing nang ban yada ya ke jing krung tu jong kini ki khar Bangladesh jingma om dai tang na kata ka dan jingma ya kini ki nok song baro te nomor kata ka jing apa hara ka security baro nilai yo ban ya kren bahasa ni batu SP mendarasi tu SP ulade batai ya ka official delegation jungi ya ki arrangement ba ulale bat kumju de ba ula dangpan extra force na ka headquarter ba uloong ba taladan ka jingkular na ka head office ba andang ai extra force yu nang ba on bu ka jing pahara ka ba kham benya atani ka than border bang ong mentan ba kidon ki border fencing kidon ki bala julor dan ki bala tua namata uslam don de ki border fencing i kumba ga don ba prong ke ya katu ngin sa penpoi ya report sya ka sarkar sya chief minister but kabadewan maramat hable hi woodwood ni devan tho sya ministry of home affairs ba ki devan ikun pejlam ban sanction pisa nang ba ninyo ban penbha ban penbej ya kini ka border fencing but ni sotu ba kadang kajingma ya ka than jongi ya ka ri jongi namar ba menta kidan bon ki activities ki baya illegal activities ki baya ni ka border ke knang ba ini ada ya kinong song snong jongi ki parado parasnam jongi ki badan hat ni ka than ni dei ban ai ka jing pahra ni dei ban care ya kini ki signer snang ba ki ni ki mender kinumyo ban krong sakni ka ri jongi aladep ya kata wilayah ya kalimti border blokawai kadon kalimti ke ba ya tengko ha bat ya ka border fencing bat ngilawan jurip ngilayui daladi ba kadai kajing sisa ba ke surok singkin kalong ka ba sniu hadu kata bat kumju de kadon kajing thut ata network communication ka mobile bon kam kam tenge kam ban ai su ya ka kam development hakini ka than border pat kumju nilayoi ya kita ki border fencing ki bala julor ki bala snew te ngin sara ya kini baro ban submit kung ka kaipot siya u chief minister nakani ka delegation joni pat ngin sa let ban batay company ha u chief minister ya ka jing e ba ki shem kini kinong song sinong hakini ka than border joni
Meghalaya Post.news